Hi guys, this is Taylor from Fanair Cosmetics. I'm so excited today to present to you the Diva Express full set. So as you can see, I'm prepping my customer's natural nail by simply pushing her cuticle back and buffing the surface with a 180 grid. I will also then be using the alcohol pads to prep her nail. Obviously, if you have a better solution, like our Sanifresh, for example, would be a better option here if you do have it. If not, a 70% or a 90% alcohol will do. So what's amazing about this new brand is that it's a full-on gel tip that is glued with a UV gel. So once the glue is exposed to the light, it hardens. Now, some might say, what's the advantage of this? Well, first of all, if you're like me and don't apply tips very often to your customers and mostly do refills, when it comes time to apply the glue, often it's expired, leaving you to have to continuously buying new bottles of glue and barely using half of them. So UV glue is always good. If it's not exposed to light and kept in a dark, cool area, it will always be ready to go. The other great thing about Diva Express is these tips are made out of UV gel, 100% UV gel, which makes them more compatible to use with gel polishes and UV curables. So as you can see here, all I did was basically glue them on, expose them to the light, shape them, file the surface down to etch them, and then I'm going to be applying one of our color effects color gels. I'm using also the contour brush number 6. I love this brush because it just basically has that round shape, oval shape at the back, making it really nice and easy to apply your product. So as you can see here, we are going to apply 2 coats of color to the nail directly onto the Diva Express gel tips because they're already gelled. So this is an amazing game changer because the Diva Express allows you to do a full set in only 30 minutes, which is amazing. The other amazing thing is that when your customer comes back and either decides to keep the full set, then you can just basically refill using the Gelous brand UV gels. If she decides that she no longer wants them, then all you have to do is cut them down, etch the surface, and soak them off in acetone. So either way it goes, and it allows for a full rapid set. So for somebody that just wants to, have a beautiful length, and either it's for a night out, a wedding, a vacation, or if you're like me and you're a nail biter and don't want to spend 2.5 hours doing a full set because you know very well that in 2 weeks they will be gone, well, Diva Express is for you. So here I am applying the In and Out Gelous Lite top coat. The reason why I chose the Gelous Lite top coat is because it is soakable in acetone. Therefore, if my customer decides that she no longer wants them, they will be removable in acetone. So I'm reshaping once again. I love to reshape after the color has been applied in the gel because sometimes it changes a little bit the shape. And we're going to finish off with Miracle Oil just to give back the moisture to the skin and rehydrate a little bit. I'm going to remove the excess with a little piece of cotton to make sure that she doesn't dirty her purse or her wallet. And there you have it, guys. Diva Express within 30 minutes, full set.